Assalamu alaikum. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the letter Tha. This letter is easy to remember because of the number of dots on top of it. It has 3 dots, and the first sound in the word 3 is the same as the letter. Now let's try to read the letter with the short vowels and the long vowels. Tha, Tha, Thu, Thu, Thi, Thi. والآن هيا نقرأ. Now let's read. In this word we have 3 letters and 3 short vowels on top of it. The first letter, the Tha, has a fatha on top, so it's going to be Tha. The second letter is a Ba with a fatha on top, so it's going to be Ba. And the last letter is a Ta with a fatha on top, and we say it as Ta. So together, Tha, Ba, Ta. Faster. Thabata, Thabata, Thabata. This second word, we have a Tha followed by Alif, which is Tha. We also have a Ba followed by a Kasra underneath it, and a Ta with a Sukun on top. So we have to say them together. Bit, bit. Now together, Tha, bit. Thabit. Faster. Thabit. Thabit. Now this third word, we have an alif with a fatha on top, and then a tha with a sukun on top of it. So this means we're going to have to split the word into 2. The first half is going to end at the letter that has the sukun on it, because we said when there is a sukun on a letter, we pause where that letter is. So that first half of the word, the alif with the fatha and the tha with the sukun on top, we're going to have to say it together. So here's how we say it. Ath, ath. Now we're going to say the other half. The ba with the fatha on top and the ta with the fatha on top. Ba, ta. Ba, ta. So the whole word together will be athbata, athbata. And when we say it faster, athbata, athbata, athbata. Now let's try to read this last word. So we have ta with a dhamma on top, which we say as tu. And we have tha with a sukun on top, which means we're going to have to say it together with the ta. So we're going to have to say it together with the ta. So that first half of the word will be tooth. Tooth. Remember we said when the sukun is on top of a letter, we have to pause at that letter. So tooth is the first half. And then after that we have the second half, which includes a ba with a kasra underneath it, and a ta with a dhamma on top of it. So that second half will be bitu, bitu. Now let's try to say the whole word. Tooth, bitu, tooth, bitu. Now let's say it faster. Tuthbitu, tuthbitu, tuthbitu. شكرا جزيلا على استماعكم. Thank you very much for listening. مع السلامة.